Hello guys, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle. It's binary time. In this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's still Wednesday, January the 24th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, and the binary, binary time. And this one will be number 7865. 7865. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And now between the O's comes an 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's, double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 2 minutes. Whoa! That's a quick one to solve. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes. Publisher more challenging with the binaries. Let me think. Try to let me think. Publisher, yeah. It's getting easier. Publisher, it's not challenging anymore. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.